No matter you are a MacBook, iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, or any other laptop or smartphone user, there is one specific accessories we all need now. Yes, that's a Type C hub. If you are a MacBook user, then there is only one USB Type C port in your laptop, and there is no Ethernet or micro SD adapter in your laptop. That means you must have to use a USB hub. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Galaxy Station. In this video, I will unbox and test a USB hub which is obviously Type C that won't break your bank balance. Cheap but perfect, everything you need. This is the kind of Type C hub we all need. Obviously, I bought it from AliExpress on a amazing deal, which I am sharing with you in the video description. At first, I am going to cut the packaging. Yes, this is Essager branded 7-in-1 and it supports HDMI 4K 30Hz. There is also a model which is supporting 4K 60Hz, but it's not. Okay, you can connect keyboard, mouse, hard disk, USB flash disk, display, projector via this Type C hub. And the model number of this hub is ESTA07. There is 7 ports which I will show you after the unboxing. There is the model number and product code, everything Essager. Essager is already a reputed brand all around the world, and in my channel I am regularly uploading Essager product videos because on AliExpress I can see that many brands increase their product price a lot, but Essager is not. Suppose you can buy this type of Type C hub like 7-in-1 around $25 to $50, but you can't imagine the buying price of this Essager Type C hub. I will tell you the price later, but you can obviously check it right now by clicking in the video description's affiliate link. Okay, this is the Type C hub. Wow, the cable is heavy, and Essager says this cable can carry up to 5,000 kilogram of weight. I don't know why I need to pull a 5,000 kilogram item via this cable, but Essager tested for us. Okay, this is the manual in English. There are 7 ports. Specification, tips and precaution, a product warranty card, and this is the product Type C. Wow, model number made in China. At first, this is the HDMI port which supports up to 4K 30Hz. So especially if you are Samsung user, then you can easily use a device like Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra in DeX mode via this Type C cable. Then there is a micro SD card slots, port number 2, port number 3, a TF card slot. Then there is a Type C data cable. Then there is a USB 2 port, USB 3 port, and this is for power delivery. Suppose I am using my phone Samsung's DeX system via this cable, and that obviously drain the charge of my phone first. So without continuously powering the phone, I won't be able to use Samsung DeX. Now time to test this type C hub. As per quality, I mean build quality, this is absolutely fine, absolutely fine. Okay, I am connecting it. Now I have a pen drive lying around. At first, a type C pen drive. Yes, USB storage 1. That means type C port is working. And for the sake of testing, I am also plugging a USB pen drive to check if two devices are working. Yes, both devices are working. That's great. Now time to test other accessories like a mouse. The mouse is connected. I am not getting any response till now. Is there any settings inside my phone? Oh no. Yes. I hope you can see the cursor. So a USB mouse and obviously a USB keyboard will certainly work perfectly now. Now time to test Samsung DeX, which I am very much excited about, because if you know Samsung DeX, then you must have to agree how useful the feature is. I just have to connect a HDMI cable monitor to this hub. Okay. Yes, this is my monitor. This is the HDMI cable, and this is the connector, my phone. Okay, I am trying DeX. Yes, HDMI is connected. Yes, there is Samsung DeX. Wow, it's flawless. Now I also want to check the mouse capability. Yes, Samsung's DeX is now running. Yup. What about mouse? Yes, mouse is working. What about pen drive? I want to see this pen drive here. My files. Yes, USB device is connected. Now there is only one thing I need to check, that is power delivery function. I need to charge my device at the same time. Okay, here is my Samsung charger, charging cable. I am connecting it to the 60 watt PD cable. Yes, my phone is charging. There is DeX working. Wow, everything is fine. My phone is charging. That means I can use DeX on my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, a keyboard, mouse, pen drive, all at the same time via this Essager 7-in-1 Type C hub. Now time to share you the price of this Type-C hub. Believe it or not, I bought this Type-C hub only for $9 on Amazon. Sounds unbelievable? Believe it. $9. That was a sale offer especially offered on my account from Essager because I am a regular buyer of Essager, and normally this Essager Type-C USB hub costs around $30, but you can buy this Type-C hub only for $11.39 now, and this offer is valid for next one day 19 hour. But don't worry, Essager regularly gives its customer the best prices, and one of the easiest way to get the best price on AliExpress website is to follow the link I have written on the video description. That link automatically redirect you to the best Essager deal at the time of your visit. You can also check Amazon. Usually in Amazon the price is little bit higher. I am very much satisfied. What about it? No, the Type-C hub is on normal temperature. I will test this Type-C hub for the next couple of days and will share my experience again with you. In the meantime, you can share your thoughts or experience. This Type-C hub will become a important part of our daily life because starting with iPhone 15 series, Apple now is on board in Type-C port. So all the mobile phones in the world, Android or iPhone, all the laptops in the world, Mac or Windows running, are now using this Type-C port. So in near future you need this product, and there is no best option than Essager. If you want the best product in cheapest price, then I strongly recommend you this Essager 7-in-1 Type-C hub. Thanks for watching this video. Please feel free to comment and ask me any question regarding this product. I will test on your behalf. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.